going on? It's your boy Dirty D, and today I'm in East Orange, New Jersey, doing a special job for a special
We got Ren and Stimpy over
It's your
here.
boy 30. I'm back again. You think you know me, but you don't really know me. There's just so much more to me. Give you a chance to get to know me. In the Lambo seats, you hang with
Round
me
three.
like you my homie. Girl, your love, it really throw me
Almost
off the
there.
chain when you below me. This ain't
They putting
baloney.
up the
I keep
ribs.
it real, I'm never phony. I'ma show you when you gon' see. I am not a one-trick pony. Turn you on like Sony. I get the cheese like pepperoni or a plate of rigatoni. Let's get high.
Alright, we at
like
the Dirty D channel like to make your dreams come true.
And you know I got this dick, you hooked on it like crack. If I'm giving you the ring, it's never
Now we have our client here.
Jack.
We're not going to
Give
show
my
her
phone
face,
no ring, I'm always
but
down.
are you satisfied with your
Doesn't mean
service?
that I don't love you.
And would you
I'ma be
recommend
right
Dirty
back.
D to anybody else? Thank you
it,
very much.
get it back.
Have a great day.
Promise when I left you once
My
it's
partner
all
in
done.
crime.
Nag, I'm gonna come
Hey,
back
boy,
with the bread and
shout
girl,
out.
that is
And
no
I
cap.
assist
Give to all of my folks. Fuck them, Joe. Don't give a fuck if they front or provoke. Severe, you go hold this pole. 45, go right to your mailin'. I make it stop if you yellin'. I make it so you not tellin'. And I don't know why you front. Dirty D is the best and you jealous. You think you know me, but you don't really know me. There's just so much more to me. Give you a chance to get to know me. In the Lambo seats, you hang with me like you my homie. Girl, your love, it really throw me off the chain when you below me. This ain't baloney. I keep it real, I'm never phony. I'ma show you when you gon' see. I am not a one-trick pony. Turn you on like Sony. I get the cheese like pepperoni or a plate of rigatoni. Let's get high and get real stony.